All right, hey YouTube, back at it here. One very ordinary man is going to continue on the sawmill again today. Where I left off is on this side here. I've got it all tacked up after a fashion, okay, and kind of ready to weld together there. So I'm going to continue on tacking this side together. Actually, I decided I'm going to try something different here to get my slide, I don't know what you want to call it, the thing that the blade guide slides in and out of, which is this thing here, over here, and this one here, over here, all right? So I think what I'm going to do is take and put a piece of square tubing going all the way across from one to the other, probably cut this back off, all right? Cut these two things back off, and then use that square tubing going all the way through here to kind of align both of these so they're hopefully kind of aimed perfectly from one to the next, and then measure from the rail here up to this, and from the rail up to this, just to make sure that everything is somewhat in line with how the blade is going to be, because I don't want my guides to be coming out of here at a funny angle, and you know, when you pull them back and forth on the one side, well, the one side will be fixed, okay, but the other side will pull back and forth, and I don't want them to be pulling back and forth at some kind of a weird angle. So that's how I'm going to address that issue somehow. So that's what we're kind of into today. For starters, is to get this tacked up and get this realigned and tacked up here.
All right, so unfortunately, I don't have a short piece of this. I've got a 10-foot piece, but that's what I'm going to put through there. Because I don't want to cut it off just for this exercise. Oops. Oh boy. All right. So you see where I'm going with this, right? I'm going over here, which, okay, that doesn't really quite line up. It's not way off considering this is so far away here, but I'm obviously going to take and untack with the grinder this piece and untack this piece here, and then we'll try and get this lined up here better, okay? So here we go. Take this back out here. Like so. All right, grinding coming up. Okay, and this one's gonna go like that. All right. this one. This is gonna go up here. Oops. Ouch. Alright. Like that. Now we gotta knock this in place here. Like so. So, like that. On there. A little tighten here, tighten there. And we gotta make sure she's square, square. Okay, this has got to come over that way. And, oops, a little too long. And it's got to go that way. All right. So, what am I looking for here anyway? Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, too much. Just about right. Just about right. But
All right, so while I'm sitting here adjusting, I'm gonna turn the camera off for a bit and get this figured out. All right, after a lot of consternation and rap tapping with the hammer and so on, I think I have this thing set square this way and that way and everything, and have this guide slides, whatever you want to call them, set from one to the other. I'm going to tack this up and see how it shakes out here. I think I have enough clamps. All right, it's all tacked up, so off comes the clamps.
all right, moment of truth. Oh boy. Oh boy. What did I do here anyway? That stinks. Ow! Yow! That was my finger in there. Okay. So, isn't that quite like I hoped as far as going back and forth easy, although it did. Okay. I don't know where it's binding here. What we will do here is we're gonna put a little oil on there or something and see what happens there. Oil fixes anything, right? Little oil in there, oil in here. Little oil like that, like that, like that, like that. Little oil in there, little oil in there, little oil in there. Okay, now let's see what happens. Oh boy. Back this way. I'll put a little oil in here. Oh yeah. You like that? Oil there and everywhere. A little oil in there. Okay. Get a little oil here, there. Okay, like that. We'll get fancy and use grease at a later date, right? I'm gonna do with my rag. Good clean oil. All right. Oh boy. Okay.
Well, there it is. First time you're going to see the frame upright in its normal position. So I'm just flipping it over as I'm welding here because I am not a professional welder and I do not do upside down welds. I don't even do the other welds very well, but I'm welding it nonetheless. So that's what I'm doing, flipping it over until I get everything welded on both of these sides here.